Alright, summary, here we go. This one should be super easy or hard, let's say. So this one is just on the board, I haven't touched it. I'll show you a couple of things. So I'm using a big nozzle and I'm gonna do that 40% air volume, or maybe 30%, okay? Max degree, up to you. So here we go. Flux, air filter. Here we go. Removing, you can use higher temp, higher speed, no problem. Keep your other hand away. It doesn't get burned. Wait for it to become shiny. Not yet, not moving yet. Should have done a bit faster. Here we go. I can see it all shiny now. There we go. See the chip jumps into place. Off. Now let's put it in. There's a way to put it in. Again, flux. And then heat. Keep the chip away. Keep your hand away. Just keep melting until they become shiny. There we go. This is the moment. So get it ready. Drop it in. Gently nudge it. There we go. Okay. Apply now more flux. Okay. There we go. Final stage. You don't even need to press hard. It will just jump into place. Everything will become golden, shiny. And here we go. I'm going to give it a nudge. You will see that it just went into place. There we go.